Welcome to the Throttle channel. Are you considering buying a Toyota AURIS hybrid but feeling hesitant because of its price tag? You're not alone. Many consumers wonder why this particular hybrid model is overpriced compared to its competitors. Toyota AURIS Hybrid combines the best of both worlds, the efficiency of a hybrid engine and the practicality of a compact car. Step inside the AURIS Hybrid and you'll be greeted by a spacious and comfortable interior designed with both the driver and passengers in mind. With premium materials and advanced technology, every ride is a luxurious experience. The AURIS Hybrid is also packed with smart features to make your driving experience seamless. From the intuitive infotainment system to the safety technologies that keep you secure on the road, this car has it all. The AURIS Hybrid offers a smooth and responsive drive thanks to its hybrid powertrain that delivers both power and efficiency. Experience the future of driving with the Toyota AURIS Hybrid. Visit your nearest dealership today and take this impressive car for a test drive. The truth is, the Toyota AURIS Hybrid comes with a higher price tag due to its advanced technology and premium features. From its fuel efficiency to its sleek design, the AURIS Hybrid offers a cutting-edge driving experience that justifies its cost. When you invest in a Toyota AURIS Hybrid, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in the future of eco-friendly transportation. The hybrid technology in the AURIS reduces harmful emissions and helps combat climate change. While the initial cost may be higher, the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance make the Toyota AURIS Hybrid a smart financial choice. Its reliability and resale value also contribute to its overall value. Before you write off the Toyota AURIS Hybrid as overpriced, consider the advanced features, eco-friendly benefits, and long-term savings it offers. You might just find that it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on cars and technology.